Hey sneakerheads, welcome back to Promote Style, the channel where we bring you the best in unboxing and reviews. Today I'm super excited to show you the stunning Jordan 4 Retro Metallic Gold, straight from Kickx.cn. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box for an exclusive Christmas big sale, up to 20% off using the code unmatched. Let's dive in. Alright, let's take a look. The Jordan 4 Retro Metallic Gold comes in this sleek box, and trust me, the presentation is top-notch. As I open it up, look at that off-white sail color, paired with these gorgeous gold accents. These sneakers scream luxury. The upper is primarily made of smooth leather, giving it that premium look and feel. But the real showstopper here? These metallic gold eyelets, 2 on each side of the lace cage. They add such a rich, classy touch to the silhouette. The sail base color provides the perfect canvas for these golden accents to shine. Another cool feature is the mesh quarter panels, which not only look great but also provide an airy, breathable feel. And let's not forget about the midsole, housing a visible air unit in the heel. It's designed to give you responsive cushioning while keeping the shoe lightweight. The branding on these is super clean. You've got the iconic Jumpman logo on both the tongue and the heel counter, subtly done in the sail color to match the overall vibe. Now, if you're wondering where to snag these beauties, they're available at Kickx.cn. This website is a trusted platform with 5 years of experience and thousands of happy customers worldwide. They even use first-layer cowhide materials to ensure top-notch quality. One thing I love about Kickx.cn is their reliable shipping. They work with global carriers like DHL, FedEx, UPS, and USPS, delivering to over 200 countries. Most orders ship out within 2 days, and you can expect your sneakers in 5 to 7 working days if you're in the US, or 7 to 12 days for Europe. Plus, they provide a tracking number so you can follow your order every step of the way. Another reason to shop at Kickx.cn. They have their own factory, which has been running since 2009. This means no middlemen, no inflated prices, and consistent quality. Before shipping, every pair is physically photographed, so what you see is truly what you get. Have any issues with your order? No problem. The customer service team at Kickx.cn is quick to respond and will resolve any problems ASAP. You'll also get email updates once your order is processed and ready to ship. Now let's see how these look on foot. Wow, they fit like a dream. The combination of comfort, style, and those luxurious golden accents make these a standout choice for any wardrobe. Don't forget, Kickx.cn is running a Christmas big sale with up to 20% off using the code unmatched. This is the perfect time to treat yourself or someone special with these amazing sneakers. So there you have it, the Jordan 4 Retro Metallic Gold. Stylish, comfortable, and an absolute must-have. Head over to Kickx.cn and remember, the link is in the description box. Use code unmatched to grab your pair at a discounted price. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit that like button, subscribe to Promote Style, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future reviews. Comment below and let me know what you think of these kicks.